Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to generate a Google Maps iframe where you can actually take the screenshot of a specific location, and this Python script will actually return the iframe for you. So let me just show you the example. So this is actually our Python script. Let me go to the terminal and I run the script right here. So as soon as I run the script, you will see it will return me this iframe, and I can simply copy this and then create a simple index.html file, and then I can simply paste this iframe, and as soon as you paste this iframe it will return this iframe. And if I open this in the browser, so it actually looks like this. It will have the actual address that you typed. You can see it will have a marker right here, and whenever you hover onto this you will see the address, which is Taj Mahal. You can see that. So you can even zoom in inside the map right here. So this is really useful. Uh, what this Python script is doing, it is actually returning you the iframe of the Google Map location. So here you just need to fill out the location. So I basically fill out this location, Taj Mahal, India. So I can even change this location. Let's suppose I enter any address. So let's suppose I enter a different address right here. So once again, if you run this Python script, it will once again return you this iframe code here. So this iframe code, you can again copy this and paste it. So this time if you see, it will change, and if you see in the browser here, you will see now it has a different location. So for this you don't require any API key. I will show you how to embed the Google Map inside iframe. So this Python script will activate automatically do this for you. So right here we simply need to define a custom function. So just create a simple app.py file, and here you specify your location, and so you can just write any location here. Let's suppose I say Sydney, and then we put the iframe here, and we call a function which is generate Google Maps iframe, and we actually pass this location, and then we actually print out the iframe URL. So now we just need to define this function which is generate Google Maps iframe, and inside this function it can even take the width as well. So by default the width will be 600 and the height will be 450, and the zoom level will be 14. So you can manipulate all these factors inside this function. So now inside this function right here, we can actually need to define a function which will a variable base URL. So now to embed the Google Map in the iframe, we have this URL Google. So all this script is given in the description of this video, guys. You can actually copy the script. The link is given in the description. So we are using the Google Maps Embed API. So this is actually the URL right here, https www.google.com/map/embed version 1 place. So now we define this, and after that we now need to replace the location right here. So encoded location, and whatever is the location that you passed, we simply replace it like this. And for this you don't need to pass any API key, and then we define our iframe URL, which will be, you can see that we are dynamically embedding this inside this maps.google.com/maps q is equal to, and then here we are embedded this encoded location and whatever is the zoom level, and that's all. So after that we actually return the iframe code, which will be returned from this function. So this is your iframe code right here. So let me just show you the overall script right here. The link is given in the description, guys. You can copy the script. So here we actually define the base URL, then we provide the encoded location, and then inside the iframe URL we are using this Google Maps embed API, https maps.google.com, and here we specify our location and the zoom level. And then lastly, in the iframe code we are specifying the iframe tag. We are putting the width, the height, and all these lazy loading allow full screen. So here we can change this location. So I can change it Sydney. So once again I go to the terminal and I run the script. So it will give you this iframe URL. So you can simply copy this and inside your index.html you can paste this, and if you serve this project, so it will actually show you the screenshot of the Google map right here with that location. So in this easy way, guys, you can embed your Google Maps directly inside the browser using this Python script. It will return you the iframe code here of the location that you type in the Python script. The link is given in the description if you need to copy the full source code. And also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.